Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Firstly, thanks to my honorable teacher for giving me such an opportunity for representing myself before yourself. I am AKHI AKTER. You can call me AKHI. I am from Gaibandha district. I am 19 years old. I am a student of Dhaka Nursing College, Dhaka. I have completed my SSC from 𝐿𝐿𝐵𝐻 Amina Girls High School and completed my HSC from 𝐿𝐿𝐵𝐻 Girls College. Now I am studying at Dhaka Nursing College in the course of BSc Nursing for 4 years. I come from a joint family. As I am of a joint family, I have so many members in my family. My parents, my grandparents, my uncle and aunts, my siblings, my cousins, and me also. My parents are MD Ataur Rahman and MSD Momtaz Begum. My father is a businessman by profession and my mom is a homemaker. I have one younger, brilliant sister and another little cute brother. I like to spend my times with my siblings. My favorite subject is English. As English is my favorite subject, I am always interested in learning English. My favorite color is white and blue. My favorite day in a week is Friday because I get Friday after a long busy week. So Friday is very important for me for refreshing myself and for being prepared for the next week. My favorite month in a year is December because December is my birthday month. I born on 13 December 2003. My favorite pastime is reading books, writing diaries, watching movies and traveling. But I like reading book most. Humayun Ahmed is my favorite writer. My favorite sports are football and cricket. I enjoy both of the game very much, but I like cricket most. And my favorite cricketer is 𝐿𝐵𝐻 Al-Hasan, the #1 all-rounder of all time. My favorite pastime, traveling, is also a refreshing treatment for me. I like to travel from place to place. My favorite food is all the homemade food but by my mother. I can understand it after coming to the hostel that I love all the homemade food by my mother. And I am missing my family so much in the hostel life. So, thanks for watching and being with me. That's all from me. Thank you all and keep me